Welcome to the Cimarron City Library's Digital Archives tutorial, Searching the Item Details page. We will start by navigating to the Item Details page from the home page of the Cimarron City Library's Digital Archives page. Click on either the Database Info tab at the top right or the Start Exploring link at the bottom left of the page. This will take you to the Database Info page. At that point, you click on the Database Records link, and then up to the menu bar for the Item Details All Records tab. This will take you right to the Item Details page. The Item Details page is composed of two areas, the top menu bar and a table with searchable lists of all of the items contained within the Cimarron City Digital Archives database. This is the portion of the page we'll be working with in this tutorial. The Item Details table is divided into 8 columns by default. The Collection ID, which is the accession number of the collection within the library. The title of the item. The description of the item. The subject column contains all of the subject headings which have been assigned to an item. The archive format is the digital format in which the item is archived. The access format is the digital format in which the item is accessible. The access URL is a link to the image of the item itself. And the detail URL is a link to the full database record, including digital file information. Now, a search can be performed for each column by typing in a keyword in the white box at the top of each column. The white boxes are found directly under the title of the column. So there's the title, and then there's the white box. Each column is configured in that manner. So, an example, if I'm interested in finding anything to do with farms, and I want to search the description, I would type in the word farm. Now be very careful. In this database, it is best to search on the broadest terms. So do not type in farms, a plural with an S, or farming with the ing. Use the root word farm. That will bring you the most hits. And as you can see, as I typed it in, the search was automatically performed. You do not need to hit enter or any other key. Now, if for some reason the white box is not available, that is the default setting, but if for some reason it is not available, it does not appear, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page to the blue menu bar. There are 4 icons at the far left of the blue menu bar. At the bottom, if you go to the icon that's second from the left, you see that it says Toggle Inline Search as you hover over it. When you click on this, it toggles that search box on or off. Now, as stated above, there are 8 default columns, but more searches can be performed by adding columns. Let's say item date. So to add a column, you will scroll down to the bottom of the screen, which is where we still are at this point, and in the blue box, the menu box at the bottom, click on the last icon on the right. As you hover over it, it will say Choose Columns. Click on that box, and another box will pop up with a list of the headings that you can search by. To add a heading, hold down on the Control key and click on the heading you wish to add. Say, Item Date. It will highlight the words Item Date, and then you click on OK. And a new column, as you scroll up, will have been added, Item Date. You can also do a search using more than one of the columns. So let's perform a search with farm, but say let's put in 1979. All of the items there that are 1979 that relate to farm are pulled up automatically. Now, if you want to easily go back to the overall item details list, scroll down once more to that menu bar, and the first icon on the left, as you hover over it, it says Reload the Grid. And there you are. The entire set of items have been reloaded, and you can do a completely new search. Now I want you to note that each of the database pages, collections, physical details, and item details are all configured in the same manner, so the procedure for conducting a search is the same for every page. And that concludes this tutorial.